2,192 days, 313 weeks, 72 months, or let's just say 6 years na. So, sobrang bilis ng panahon, di na natin namamalayan na iron anniversary na natin. I remember the first time I saw you. The year is 2008. Sa college na pinapasukan natin. Sa mathematics class, to be exact. Para ka pang barnacle head, mukhang pasaway at laging special mention ng professor natin. Sa pinakalikod ka pa ng classroom nakaupo while ako naman sa pinakaharap. Napansin na kita, but I don't feel anything. Just plain, maybe because di pa kita nakikilala ng lubusan. Pero wala sigurong spark, so walang love at first sight. Then, you made your first move. We became friends. After that, you gave me that emotional roller coaster feeling. A bit complicated but full of excitement. Then, I chose you. Siguro dahil rockista ka dati and I love rockers. Rock and roll. So yun nga, I fell in love with you. Naging tayo and the rest is history. Fast forward. Now, you're my boyfriend. My food porn buddy. Sa 6 na taon natin, halos lahat yata ng resto sa metro at sa provinces na kainan natin. Kaso, napag-iiwanan mo lang talaga ako. Ikaw, tumataba, while ako, hindi. So, you're also my travel buddy. Sa loob at labas ng Metro Manila, sa lahat ng pwedeng galaan at puntahan, on the go tayo. I remember, Eastwood City is our first gala. Then, nasundan pa ng kung saan-saan like malls, mga gigs, amusement parks, mga resorts here sa Manila, spa, at sa mga nature adventure natin. Sa beautiful beaches ng Lemery at Laia sa Batangas, sa exciting na dagat ng Infanta Quezon, sa cool at astig na waterfalls ng Patlag Falls sa Tanay Rizal, sa relaxing white beach at mystical falls ng Puerto Galera sa Oriental Mindoro, at sa super duper breathtaking beauty ng El Nido, Palawan. Han, you're my best buddy. Kahit na napaka-bipolar ko, you're still here, beside me. Kahit na nagkakaroon tayo ng rough times, you choose to abide with me. There's nothing I could wish for, except for one thing, to make our mistakes right, and to walk to that right path, God's path. You know what I mean? Kaya let's make it fall into places as soon as possible. Han, thank you for this wonderful 6 years of my life with you. I'm very lucky to have you. Kahit pasaway ka, wala kang katulad. You're unique and one in a million. Sana forever kang ganito sa akin. Mabait at full of patience. Ngayon, naniniwala na talaga ako sa opposite attracts. So, I should save some of my speech for our next anniversary, right? Pagpasensya mo na hindi ako makapagtayo. So, medyo konting lang kasi, unprepared. Hindi. Mas pinaghahandaan ko yung editing with it kaysa dito sa records na to. Kasi mas papakdaan na lang natin ito ng mga pictures natin. So, happy 6th anniversary to us, Mr. Ryan James Delaville. I love you. To the moon and back.